MagSafe Duo Wireless Charger goes on sale more than a month after Apple announced it. Apple's MagSafe Duo Wireless Charger is now on sale in the US. The charger is available to buy online through the Apple Store in the US. Unfortunately, it is still listed to be currently unavailable in India. The MagSafe Duo Charger was announced during the iPhone 12 launch event in October, and it has finally become available. The wireless charger enables users to charge an iPhone and an Apple Watch simultaneously. Apple also sells a MagSafe charger that only charges one device at a time, an iPhone or a pair of AirPods with wireless charging. The MagSafe Duo is priced at $129 in the US. It is now available through the Apple online store, and its shipping time is listed to be just one business day. The MagSafe Duo wireless charger is available in a single white color, and there is an ME option of $10.75 per month for 12 months. The MagSafe Duo wireless charger is priced at 13,900 rupees. The ME option is listed to be 1,636 rupees per month. As mentioned, it is still currently unavailable for shipping. The MagSafe Duo is compatible with iPhone 8 series and above phones, all Apple Watch models, and all AirPods models. Although, the magnetic alignment experience only applies to iPhone 12 series phones. MagSafe Duo doesn't bundle an adapter, and that needs to be purchased separately. Apple recommends separately buying a 20 watts USB Type-C power adapter for faster wireless charging up to 11 watts, or a 27 watts or higher rated USB Type-C power adapter for faster wireless charging up to 14 watts. Inside the box, the MagSafe Duo charger is bundled with a 1-meter USB Type-C to Lightning cable. As mentioned, there is also a MagSafe charger that allows only one device to charge at a time. It is priced at 4,500 rupees in India and $39 in the US. It is available to buy in both the countries. The MagSafe charger is compatible with iPhone 8 series and above phones, and all AirPods models. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.